Hey, this is Craig with Ridetech. Today we're here talking about the complete suspension kits that we offer for these classic Ford pickup trucks. If you're an owner of one of these trucks, you understand the limitations of the twin I-beam front suspension that came factory on this chassis when new. What we've done here at Ridetech is we've developed a complete bolt-in front crossmember system that eliminates that twin I-beam and now restructures that into a complete independent upper and lower control arm front suspension. Now these are available with coilover or, as this truck's equipped, with our shockwave system. The front suspension that we've developed for this truck also gives you the ability for a wide range of engine options as well. So whether you're sticking with a traditional small block Ford, big block Ford, maybe you're upgrading to a new Coyote or even an LS engine, we've got the engine mounts that allow you to put the engine that you want in this truck without having to create something special on your own to make that happen. We've also updated the steering system to use a more modern rack and pinion style power steering instead of the traditional manual or clunky power steering that would have came with this truck from the factory. The truck front suspension also has the option of utilizing two different types of spindles for wheel choice and also brake options. One option would be to use a GM-based Camaro type spindle, and that allows you to use a wide range of aftermarket braking systems. Also, even some stock options that came with GM. Gives you a wider range of wheel options for these trucks, so you're not limited to the factory bolt pattern, but now you can use a GM 5 on 4 3/4 pattern instead. The other spindle option that we have available is a hub-based spindle, and this spindle uses a newer S550 Mustang hub, which allows you to run a newer Mustang braking system on here, as well as retain that Ford 5 on 4 1/2 bolt pattern. Now, if you're a purist and traditionalist and you have a really nice set of 5 on 5 1/2 wheels that you had originally on your twin I-beam suspension, we do offer a custom brake system for that wheel as well. So on the back of this truck, as standard, they come factory with a leaf spring suspension, which has its limitations as far as ride quality and handling. So what we've done here is we've created a fully bolt-in parallel style 4-link kit with integrated C-notches into the frame. What we've been able to do then is give you the best ride quality and handling characteristics that you can out of a stock frame pickup truck like this. And the 4-link also gives you the ability to run either the coilover or the air suspension like this truck is equipped here. The way that we have the parallel 4-link design for this truck also allows you to run the widest wheel and tire combination possible for the back of this truck, so you're not limited on what size that you run there outside of what the actual wheel openings will allow you. The other thing that we've done is we've maximized the amount of overall drop, especially with an air suspension like this, fully deflated, to allow the axle to come up as much as possible without having to modify anything in the bed floor of the truck. And regardless of whatever you decide to choose for your F100, whether it is the coilovers or the shockwave suspension, just keep in mind the Fox shocks that we use in both of those applications do carry our industry standard 1,000,001 mile warranty against failure. If you're looking to upgrade the handling and the performance of your F100, the Ridetech front crossmember system is a great option for your truck. Maintains the stock track width of the front suspension, and it also allows for increased alignment characteristics and handling characteristics so that you can get improved camber and caster gains out of your front suspension. If you want to learn more about what we offer for these classic F100s, go check out our website at ridetech.com.